start our project. Come to new. Now we wait until the software display. Okay, this is our layer. Where we're going to draw, we're going to draw inside here. So we come to wall, give it 15,000 because here we are using millimeters. 15,000, yes, and then we draw another line. 6,100, 6,100, yeah. So we go on the side, 300, 3,200, 100. We go down, we do 6,500, 6,500. Okay, so we come here and 9,000, 9,900. So we go down 2,590, 2,900, 800, 90. So we go on the side, we go 8,400, 8,400, 8,400, yes. So we go up straight. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna intersect so that it can't fit in. This is our building, so we're going to put the chambers. So we put 2 chambers. We take this line, okay, we do move, drag, copy. So we do it where the room will have 3,000, 4,000, that is 4 meter, 4,000, yeah. So it will have 4 by 4, yeah. You click shift to select, we move, right, copy, we do 4,000, 4 meter, yeah. So you click control to cut, yeah. So we have a room of 4 to 4. We're gonna have another room from here. You're gonna have move, drag, copy, 2 meter for 1 or 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter for, yeah. So here we put a door that goes out. Okay, let's make it 2 meters. Let's make it 2 meters. Of drag copy, so we do 2000, 2000, 2000, yeah, 2000. So put a door here. So let's check from here up to here. It is, there is, yeah, we have to put 2 rooms. Move drag copy. So we put 4000. So this is 2 rooms. Yeah. So here also we're going to put some rooms here. So we have to calculate the distance between. So we have 11,490. So divided by 2 is 5,000. 5,000 is 2 rooms. Okay, so we do rooms from here up to here. So we move drag copy from here. We make 4,000, yeah. So 4,000 is there. So what we do, so we have to check to do 2 rooms, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4. Move drag copy. 4, 4, 4,000. So again 4,000 again. So this is this is our rooms. So we're going to put some windows and doors here. So we're gonna put a door. So I'll use store door. This door is awesome. Yeah. So I'll put this one here. Whatever. Yeah. So here we put another door here that goes out. So let me put this one. Yeah. Okay. So we put windows. Going to put windows. Window I'll use play. Storefront windows, but let's use bay. this bay, we can use this one. Oh, let's use this one. This one, yes. We're not going to change anything. Put here, here, and here also. Yeah. So we're going to put some doors inside. So yeah, on the door, we come inside, we put doors, empty doors, hinged doors. So these doors, they're not okay, doors, empty doors, garage doors, hinged rotating doors, sliding doors, storefront. Let's see. Okay, no. Okay. So it's hinged door. Yeah. Side. Yeah. Okay. Control M to rotate the door. Yes. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put the slab so that it can fit in. So let's check and see what we have now in 3D. So this is what we have now. This is what we have for now. So we're going to change it. Let's change this design, and we're going to change the walls height. All the Control A to select all, and we change the height of the wall, so we not link it. So we do it, we give it 3,500, 3.5 meters. So let's check now. Good. So our product is now fine. So we're going to put, because it's going to be up, so need to put something. So let's put column. First of all, let's put a beam. So Can I use a beam? Have to come be here. So drag. Okay, so okay, good. Now, so what we have to do now is to put the column. So the column have to be cycle. Now the column, so this is the column, so you have to put it in. So the column, column setting, select column setting. Column setting is having 300, so this is 3 meter, so we have to not link it to the, so it's have to be 3,400, yeah, so they can reach there. So we have to extend the okay, so let's see how it looks like now. So this is the beam, so this is how it looks now. So I'll select the beam, drag it higher, so I'll mark, then again shift to take this up, so this is the house. So yeah, so what you're going to do now, you're going to take the bulb, go back to door, so we put windows, so have to have a good windows. Okay, this is bay window. Yeah, it's bay window. So we're going to click Control A. We go to walls, we do Control A. We go to slab, Control A. We go to walls, Control A, and we go to doors, Control A. So we do copy. We go to column, Control A. Go to beam, Control A. So we go to copy. Copy. Come to story one. We paste it here. We paste it here. Control V. So now what we need to remove? We need to remove this. We need to remove this, and yeah. So let's see how it is now. That's good. This is the house. So what else we need to do is to select this. Okay. Move it to there. This is fine now.